I think the perfect thing to go with our poodle candle is a cat candle. So I 3D printed a cat sculpture, made a mold for it by making a casing, screwing it together, making some silicone, and pouring that in. Now let's go ahead and make the candle. I'll melt some wax and add some scent. Then I'll stir in the scent for 2 minutes. After that, I'll pour the candle. Once the wax is on, I'll position the wick and let it dry for 24 hours. Then we can trim the wick and demold it. Wow, I love how this turned out. Looks super adorable. Candles are coming soon to honeystudiosshop.com, so keep an eye out.